Hello, student, 5th standard, maths, HCF and LCM. Previous video I teach you factors and multipliers definition and how to do. Now I teach you 6.2 divisibility test. Divisibility test. Divisibility test means what? A given number is divisible by following numbers. Yeah, it condition. Okay. Yeah, you got there that one factors. That time you do the divisibility test. There is condition of divisibility. Condition of divisibility. Okay. Divisible by 2. See here, LCF, HCF and HCF divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. For example, see here 12. 12 is divisibility of 2. 2 6 are 12. 44. 44 divided by 2. 44 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Understand? This is a, here you want remainder is also there 0 in divisibility test. Understand? उसे पूरी तरीके से खाली करना चाहिए, मतलब वहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 होना चाहिए और आंसर पूरा का पूरा नंबर होना चाहिए. नॉट देयर इन अ फ्रैक्शन. नॉट देयर वी वांट देयर इन अ फ्रैक्शन. Last year I gave you some notes for divisibility test and I say you this is you by head. That notes you take Xerox there and you by headed there. All of you by headed, remember? Yes or no? Now divisible by 3. When divisible by 3, if the sum of its digits is completely divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. For example, see 33. See here 33 is divisible by 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 is in a 3 table. 6 is in a 3 table. Yeah. 3 2s are 6. 6, see here 6 divided by 3. 3 dots means so. इसे क्या कहते हैं? So. 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. For example, 369. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. So 18 divided by 3, 6. Understand? Next one. If the last two digit divisible by 4. Okay, last two digits are divisible by 4, then that all number is divisible by 3, divisible by 4. Okay, see your example. 60,672. See, last two number which 72. 72 is in a 4 table. 18 fours are 72. 72 divided by 4 is equal to 18. Understand? Means 60,672 is divisible by 4. Understand? Okay. Now fifth one. Divisible by 5. Divisible by, this one number is a divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or 0, the number is divisible by 5. See, one more. 3095. See, ones have which number? 5. Ones have which number? 5. So, 5 is divisible by 3095. Okay. 3095 divisible by 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 ones are 5. 5 nines are 45. Okay, understand? 1480. Ones have 0. Ones have 0. 1480 divided by 5. Divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30. This is your answer, and this number is a divisible by 5. Understand? All of you understand now? 6 divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3, that time the number is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, means 2 and 3, when you divided that number you also divided by 6. Understand? See here example. 408. Now see here, 8 is a ones place. 8 is on ones place. Means this is a divisible by 2. Okay. This is a divisible by 2. And see, 4 plus 8. 12. 12 is coming in a 3 table, na? So this is a divisible by 3, 2 and 3. So this is a divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Understand? This number is a divisible by 6. All of you understand? Now, see here. Divisible by 7. Take the last digits of number double and subtract it from the rest of the digits. Rest of the digits means what? 1 by 1. First one number, second leave there, third one take there. Okay, all of you understand? Understand, na? If the or more, another way is there. If the difference is a divisible by 7, then that number is a divisible by 7. Okay, that number is a divisible by 7. Understand? Now, for example, see here, 357. Here we ones place double there. Which number is ones place? 7 to double there, 14. Okay, then subtract there 35 minus 14, we get there 121. 21 is in our 7 table. 7 3s are 21. So this is a hence 357 is a divisible by 7. Okay, या फिर another way is there. Now one example I teach you. 3934. Double the 4 there. Double 4 to get 8. And then 393 minus 4, 385. Now also you do here double the 5 because of you want their 2-digit number. You know 7 table have also 2-digit number. So again one time you do the ones plus double. 5 get 10. 38 minus 10, 28. And 28 is a divisible by 7. Yes or no? 28 is coming in the 7 table. See. Yeah. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So 3934 is a divisible by by 7. Okay, this number is divisible by 7. Understand now all of you? Now 8 1. 8 1 also what? A number is divisible by 8. Yes or no? How to do? How do we recognize? A number is divisible by 8. How? If the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. See here, 4432. Which is the last 3 number? 432. You divided there, 432 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. Okay. And 8 4s are 32. You got the remainder 0. 54 answer is there. So, what you do here? 432 divided by 8. You got their answer 54. So, 4432 is divisible by 8. Understand? Now 9. A number is divisible by 9. If the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Means what? This is the same way of the 3. In divisible by 3. Now we learn here. Given numbers, do the plus and that which answer coming, that is in that table, 3's table, that 10 given number is divisible by 3. Same as it is divisible by 9. Example C. 9,24,561. That time 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 27. 27 is divisible by 9. 27 is divisible by 9. See, 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. So, 9,24,561 is divisible by 9. Now, divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends off with 0. means ones have a 0. You want their ones have a 0. Ones have a 0. Okay. Example 7530. This is a divisible by 3 because of last number is a 0. 9,80,980. This is a divisible by 10. See, last number is a 0, so this is a divisible by 10. This is a divisible by 10. Now 11, divisible by 11. How to do? See, a number is a divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the alternative digits, alternative means 1 by 1, alternative digits is 0 or a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 means in the 11 table. Okay. Example C, 4576. First, 4 plus 5 alternative na. What I say here, difference sum of the alternative digits means ones, hundreds, tens, thousands. 4 plus 7, 11, and 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 11, you got here answer 0. So this is a divisible by 4576. This number is a divisible by 11. Okay. Next one example, 55,209. Sum of 5 to 9. 5 plus 2 plus 9. 11 plus 5, 16. And 5 plus 0, 5. And what is there? The difference of the sum of the alternative digit is a 0 or a multiple of 11 is a 0 or multiple of 11 means 16 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 1. Multiple 16 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1 and 1. Got their answer 11. Understand? All of you understand? So 55,209 is a divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Understand? All of you understand now? Here also same, here also same. Here we do the minus 2 sums. Here also do the minus 2 same. Here got 11, here got 0. Means this is a multiple of 11. So 55,209 is a divisible by 11. Understand na? Now 12. A number is divisible by 12. How do you recognize? If given number is a divisible by 3 and 4 both, that time given number is a divisible by 12. Now see for one example. 3,09,348. This is a divisible by 3. First you guess there. When you guess divisible by 3, all numbers you do plus. Okay. Here got 27. 3 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8. 27. 27 in a 3 table. Yes, so this is a divisible by 3. And last two number which? 48. 48 is in a 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 12 fours are 48. So this is a divisible by 4. This is a both divisible by given number is a both, means 3 is divisible and 4 is also divisible. So 3,09,348 is a divisible by 12. Understand? Now only 15 is there remaining. A given number, is a divisible by 15 when if it is a divisible by 3 and 5ths both. So that number also divisible by 15. First divisible number means last number is a last ones have a, we want there 0 and 5. 5 is here. So this number is a divisible by 5. Now divisible by 3, how to do? 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5. You got their answer? 10, 10, 15, 25, 30. 30 is in a 3 table, na? So this is a divisible by 3 also. So 5,60,955 is a divisible by 15. Divisible by 15. Understand? All of you understand the condition of divisibility? Next video I teach you exercise. Okay, next video I teach you exercise. Now you bihated their condition of divisibility. Understand? Okay, all of you bihated their condition of divisibility. That time you recognize their given number is a divisible by that also number. Okay, understand na? Okay, thank you.